So many things. You must get a knife, you must get anything, you must do something. There is no time to loiter, no time to chat, no time to do anything. We are working. We must attack all those criminals there in the MTN rank, in those streets there. They must feel that the JMPD is here. We mustn't be part of the team. If something is obstructing you, shove it off. Everyone must be picked up. We must search them as you're walking around, asking, where are you from? What are you doing here? So that's the operation that we're going to be doing. 3 in CBD, we're doing 1 in Hillbrow, we're doing another one in Yeoville. We are going to those buildings you thought that is not going to happen. Binam Court out. That's another one, Casamia. All buildings that there's a syndicate, there are drugs. We're entering, take everyone out. With the speaker's request, maybe we might demolish it. I didn't say that. We are not going to tolerate crime. I'm ready to go to court. I'm ready to be arrested if I'm breaking the law. Because the people are getting pickpocketed, and people are getting chokeholds, people are getting stabbed, others are getting raped, and all of that. We are going to do the same thing in El Dorado. We're not going to be controlled by drug dealers, where our mothers are being shot and sisters there in El Dorado. The same thing. No nonsense. So we want all your